want a very peaceful and calm life. So let's think about it. Is anything is controlling your life? Don't allow yourself to be controlled by these things. Number 1, your past. We always have some past experiences that controlling our present and future or disturbing our mental health. So, get lesson from your past. Don't be a victim of your own story. Instead of it, motivate yourself through your past and make your present and future more bright and better. Number 2, other people's opinions. Don't allow other people to destroy your internal peace. Don't take yourself wrong because the people said it to you. Just listen to your heart. What I am doing, is that for my satisfaction or for the other people's satisfaction? Do what you want to do or what makes you happy. Stop paying attention to the bad opinions of others. Number 3, limited beliefs. So it's about that don't think that this is impossible for me and I'm not able to do. Nothing is in this world which you cannot achieve. Just you have to believe yourself. If you will have limited beliefs, you will never achieve to your own dream. There is nothing you cannot get and nothing you cannot have and no one you cannot become. You believe in yourself. If you believe anything is possible, if you believe you can achieve everything, if your beliefs will be unlimited, your potential is unlimited. When you decide to change your mindset, your entire life can change and everything you get as a gift. Number 4, relationships. If you are always needing another to be happy, to feel complete, and you think that you will be break down if that person leave you or you become unhappy. So, if the relationship you are in is not getting well, so leave it. I'm not suggesting you to avoid relationships. I'm just talking about that people who think they cannot live if they are not in a relationship and just avoid spending a moment being single. What I am saying is to develop enough mental strength that you get to the point where you don't need others to make you happy. You can also be happy alone as you are in relationship. Number 5. This is what controls the majority of humans on the planet, and it is money. I am not saying that money is evil. You know, it's important for our survival. But the point is that how we use it and how to do the great things with it and how many people you can help them with that money. So, do not allow your decision to control by money. If you are choosing something only on the factor of how much money is involved, you are just made the wrong decision. What you will find is that when you follow your heart and you lead with your intention to serve others, to give your best to others, every single time when you follow your truly soul, then the money will come. So challenge yourself to live the life you want, to live free from being controlled by anything. Find your freedom, live freely. Do not allow yourself to be controlled and find God first and everything will be alright. Start your day with something positive in your ear and spread the power of positivity